Hi friends, myself Raymond Play. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos. Today I will show you my boss PC Firefox is just got crashed, and I will show you how to repair that. For that you must go to the home. Just go into home, then press Control plus H. You can see here. After pressing Control H, there are so many icons are here. You must find Mozilla. You can see here .mozilla, and go to Firefox and delete both the file. Okay, you can also delete this one. I just deleted that also. You can see here there's nothing here and here. Now I will open Firefox. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos.